Welcome to the world of personal finance. In simple terms, personal finance means managing your money to achieve your financial goals. It includes how you earn money, spend it, save it, invest it, and protect it. Understanding personal finance is important because it helps you make smart decisions about your money. Whether you're a student, a worker, or a business owner, personal finance affects your daily life. Let's start with income. Income is the money you earn. This could be from a job, a business, or any other source. Managing your income wisely is the first step in personal finance. Next is budgeting. A budget is a plan that shows how you will spend your money. It helps you keep track of your income and expenses. By creating a monthly budget, you can avoid overspending and start saving. Saving is the habit of keeping aside a part of your income for future use. It's one of the most powerful tools in personal finance. Even small amounts saved regularly can grow into a large amount over time. Savings can help during emergencies, plan for a vacation, or buy something important. Now let's talk about debt. Debt means borrowing money. While some types of debt like education loans or home loans can be helpful, too much debt can be harmful. It's important to borrow only what you can repay and always pay on time. Investing is another key part of personal finance. Investing means using your money to buy assets that grow in value over time, like stocks, bonds, or property. It helps your money grow faster than just saving it in a bank. Also, don't forget about insurance. Insurance protects you from financial loss due to unexpected events like illness, accidents, or theft. Health insurance, life insurance, and vehicle insurance are some common types. Finally, financial goals are the things you want to achieve with your money. These can be short-term goals like buying a phone, or long-term goals like saving for retirement. When you manage your money wisely, you can achieve your goals faster and with less stress. In summary, personal finance is all about making smart money choices. Learn to earn, spend, save, invest, and protect your money. Start now and you'll be better prepared for a secure and successful future.